Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Samsung charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone with a USB-C device. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of the Samsung original Type-C charger, exploring its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything from its charging speed to its build quality, helping you decide if this is the right charger for your needs. Number 5. Type-C Fast Charging Kit for Android Phones. Tired of slow charging? This kit provides rapid charging for your Android devices. It gets your battery from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. The charger has built-in safeguards to protect your device. It prevents short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating, ensuring a safe charging experience. Not only does it charge quickly, but it also syncs your data. The USB-C cable charges Samsung phones and tablets at high speed, with a data transfer rate of 480 megabits per second. This charger is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works with Samsung Galaxy phones, Google Pixels, LG, HTC, and other USB Type-C devices. The package includes 2 fast charging blocks and 2 6-foot charging cords. You also get an 18-month replacement and 24-hour technical support. What we like. This charger prioritizes safety with its built-in safeguards, preventing overcharging and overheating. It also offers quick charging, getting your phone to 50% in just 30 minutes. If you are looking for a reliable charger that protects your device while charging quickly, this is the one for you. What people say. They are reliable, quality, and support fast charging. Works great. Charges my phone very fast. The 10-foot cord is perfect for my needs and very convenient. Number 4. Samsung 45W USB-C Super Fast Charger. Introducing the 45W USB-C Super Fast Charger. This charger provides incredibly fast charging speeds for your devices. It's designed to get you powered up quickly and efficiently. This charger is widely compatible with a range of devices. It works with Samsung Galaxy phones, tablets, and many other USB-C devices. You can charge multiple devices with this one charger. The package includes a 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. This cable supports fast charging and data transfer. It's long enough for convenient use at home or in the office. The charger has a built-in multi-protection system. It prevents overvoltage, overcharging, and overheating. This ensures your devices charge safely and efficiently. You'll receive a 45W USB-C wall charger and a 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're here to assist you. What we like. The 45W charger provides super fast charging, perfect for the latest Samsung devices. It is also universally compatible with a wide range of devices. If you need a charger that can quickly power up your phone and other devices, you should consider it. What people say. Cargador Samsung Original Tipo C. El cargador funciona perfectamente con mi Samsung Galaxy. Carga rápida y efficient. Number 3. 65W Retractable USB C Charger. This 65W charger features a built-in, retractable Type-C cable. The cable extends up to 70 centimeters, with 7 adjustable levels, offering flexibility for various charging needs. It has a USB-C port and a retractable Type-C cable, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. When using a single USB-C device, it delivers a 65W max charge, capable of charging a MacBook Pro 16-foot to 56% in just 45 minutes. Utilizing upgraded GaN 3 technology, this charger provides superior power density and efficiency. This results in a compact and lightweight design, minimizing energy loss and heat generation. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, Samsung Galaxy phones, and more. This makes it a versatile charging solution for all your devices. Weighing only 6.70 ounces, this fast wall charger is ultra-compact and lightweight, 58% smaller than the original 67W charger. The durable ABS shell and foldable prongs make it perfect for travel. You'll receive the 65W retractable wall charger, a welcome guide, and friendly customer service. It also includes an 18-month worry-free replacement and 24/7 online customer service. Feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. This charger features a retractable cable, making it perfect for travel and on-the-go use. It also utilizes GON 3 technology for efficient charging. If you are a frequent traveler or someone who values portability, this charger is a great choice. What people say. Cargador Samsung Original Tipo C, Carga Super Rapido. El Producto es Original y Funciona Perfectamente. El Cargador es tal cual la descripción, carga muy rápido y es original. Number 2. AINOPE USB-A to USB-C right-angle cable. Introducing the AINOPE USB-A to USB-C cable. This cable features a convenient right-angle design, perfect for comfortable use while charging. It's ideal for gaming or watching videos. The innovative 90-degree L design makes this cable user-friendly. It's designed for comfort, allowing you to easily use your phone while it charges. The design is perfect for sideways use. This cable supports fast charging up to 3.1A, which is 40% faster than other cables. It also provides data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Remember to use a fast-charging power block. Built with laser welding technology and a longer SR anti-brake design, this cable is built to last. It has passed 40,000 plus bend tests, ensuring a long service life. The double-braided nylon adds to its durability. This USB charger cable is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works well with Galaxy, Moto, and LG devices, among others. Please note that it is a USB-A to USB-C cable. What we like. This cable features a right-angle design, making it ideal for gaming or watching videos while charging. It also offers stable and fast charging with enhanced durability. If you like a more comfortable charging experience while using your phone, this cable is perfect for you. What people say. Cargador Samsung Original Tipo C. Funciona perfectamente con mi Samsung. Carga rápida y efficient. Number 1. Samsung 25W Fast Charger with 10-foot cable. Introducing the Samsung 25W Fast Charger. It utilizes PD 3.0 technology to quickly charge your device. This charger will get your phone from 0 to 100% in about an hour. The kit includes a 10-foot USB-C cable, giving you plenty of length. You can comfortably use your phone while it charges, even from a distance. It also supports fast data transfer. This charger is compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones. It works with the latest S series, as well as older models. It also works with other USB-C devices. The charger has built-in protection against various issues. It protects against short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. You can charge your device with peace of mind. You'll receive a 25W PD USB-C charging block and a 10-foot USB-C cable. If you have any questions, customer service is available 24 hours a day. What we like. This charger provides fast charging with a 10-foot cable for added convenience. It also includes safeguard protection for your device. If you need a charger with an extra long cable for flexibility, this is a great option. What people say. This is a super fast phone charger. The phone and tablet charges quickly. It works as advertised and it is fast charging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.